Sparta! There we go.
There's Uncle Jeff kicking some poor guy into the pool.
Raymond? A lot from Minnesota and one more from Minnesota. What's the name of your plane? The flower. 1, 2, 3, go.
Done!
What kind of flower is that? Big applause. Come on, come on. It was good. What's good? There we go. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Sue from Minnesota. Sue, what's the name of your plane? Miracle. Lisa, ready? 1, 2, 3, vamos! That plane must be drunk. She was like the owner. Oh my God, they're French kissing in front of the kids. Get a room there. Never mind. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Jennifer, I love your name. I actually have it on my screen. Look at this. Double N, right? J-E-double-N-E. There we go. What's the name of your plane? Oh, okay. And where are you from? There's the Colorado, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh! Shit!
You want to try it again? Okay, go. This is supposed to touch the wall, but another one outside. I thought it was the plane looks like a boomerang. Okay, there you two guys going to the water.
Oh!
Because Mr. Man right
How
here
did he
is
do
taking
that?
the position.
Oh,
Thank you so
I should have
much.
seen that.
This is Riviera Maya. Do it.
Okay.
You're gonna kick it. There, you're just like a ballerina. Okay, ¿cómo te llamas? What's your name?
Can you see?
Where are you from? Colorado. Woo! I'm sorry. What's the name of your plane? There we go, Alvin, Chipmunks. 1, 2, 3, go!